original copy of bid security, organizational chart for the contract to be bid, list of contractors' personnel, list of contractors' major construction and laboratory equipment, omnibus joint statements, and for financial documents, audited financial statements received by the BIR, and the completion of NFCC or Net Financial Contracting Capacity. With regards to the following five infrastructure project with contract ID number 25EH0137, 25EH0138, 25EH0139, 25EH0165, and 25EH0173. The deadline for submission of bids is on March 6, 2025 at 9 o'clock in the morning. Again, late bids shall not be accepted. That's all, Sir Chair.
Thank you, Sir Albert. And also, may we hear from our engineers from the planning and design section to discuss the scope of works, major items, and other details of this project. Sir Justin Carr Mendihar, Sir Luigi Gabriel, Sir Mark Garrett Kagawan, and Sir Ethan Jun Gomez.
Good morning, mga sir. I'm Justin Carmen Mendihar, and we are from Planning and Design section. And we are here to discuss five civil works projects. The first project that I will be discussing has a contract ID of 25AH0137 with the contract name of Concreting of Road Barangay Poco Chico, Dagupan City, Pangasinan. It has an EPC of 4,950,000 with a project duration of 108 calendar days. The structure contains section 1 and section 2, 2-meter wide PCCT with 1 meter center drainage, and section 3, 1 meter wide center drainage. Its physical target for road is 0.44 linear kilometer and for drainage is 342 linear meters. The scope of works are as follows: removal of actual structure or obstruction, PCCT, 0.20 meter deep, unsuitable excavation, foundation fill, embankment from barrow, granular coarse material, subgrade preparation, common material, aggregate sa base course, Portland cement concrete pavement, and reinforced 0.25 deep 14 days, reinforcing steel grade 40, and structural concrete class A 28 days. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning po. For the second project, with the contract ID of 25AH0138, project name, construction of road, Barangay Palapad, San Fabian, Pangasinan, location, San Fabian, Pangasinan, appropriation, 50 million pesos, net length, 1.334 lane kilometers, total project duration, 116 calendar days. The project consists of a 6-meter road with a thickness of 0.28 meters, with stone masonry and parapet walls on both sides. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Luigi Gabriel. And for the next project with the contract ID of 25AH0139, improvement of Judge Jose de Venecia Road Extension, Dagupan City, Pangasinan, Phase 2. The approved budget cost of this project is 19,800,000 pesos. And the physical target of this project is 496 meters of bike lane structure. The total project duration of this project is 162 calendar days, and the scope of works are the following: embankment from barrow, common soil, subgrade preparation, common material, aggregate sub-base course, Portland cement concrete pavement with the thickness of 0.28 meters, parapet walls, stone masonry, and for the miscellaneous structures, curb and gutter, precast, sidewalk 100 millimeters tape, reflectorized pavement studs, raised profile type bi-directional, furnishing and placing topsoil, trees furnishing and transplanting, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings green, and single arm solar LED roadway lighting with a 10-meter pole and with the 125 to 150 wattage of power. The structure will consist of 2 meters of bikeway and 3.8 meters sidewalk. The total width of the structure is 6.3 meters. And for the next project, with the contract ID of 25AH0173, concreting of Barangay Malabago, Barangay Aritaya, Service Road, FMR, Barangay Malabago, Northern Pangasinan. The approved budget cost of this project is 14,925,000 pesos. The physical target of the project is 1.522 lane kilometer of road with a total project duration of 123 calendar days. The scope of works are the following: clearing and grading, embankment from roadway excavation, common soil, embankment from barrow, common soil, aggregate sub-base course, polymer stabilized sub-base base surface course, Portland cement concrete pavement with a thickness of 0.25 meters, 5 culverts, 910 millimeter diameter class 4, and stone masonry. The structure is a 5-meter wide carriageway with 1 meter shoulder on both sides. That's all, sir.
For the fifth and last project with a contract ID of 25DH0165, construction of water system, Aguilar Pangasinan, with an ABC of 14,850,000 pesos. The scope of work are as follows: construction of depth well with 10 meters by 10 meters perimeter fence, steel casing of 8 inches diameter and 124 meters in length, galvanized iron pipe, concreting works, embankment, and well spring for filtrations. The total project duration of the project is 180 calendar days. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Sirs, do we have any questions or queries regarding this 5 civil work contracts from our implementing sections? So if there's none, Sir Albert, when will be our next schedule again?
Yes, sir. Sir, our next procurement activity is on February 25, 2025. That's on Tuesday at 10 o'clock in the morning. Pre-bid conference of 2 infrastructure projects with the following contract ID number 25DH0174, completing of Barangay Salaan FMR, Barangay Salaan, Mangaldan, Pangasinan, with an approved budget cost of 14,925,000 pesos, and 25DH0175, completing of Barangay Santa Ines FMR, Barangay Santa Ines, Manawag, Pangasinan, with an ABC of 14,925,000 pesos. The scheduled bid opening of 5 maintenance projects on the same day with contract ID number 25AH0168, 25AH0169, 25AH0170, 25AH0171, and 25AH0172 have been postponed indefinitely. That's all, Sir Chair.
Thank you, Sir Albert. So on Tuesday, we will have 2 credit conference. So are there any more items to be discussed? Okay. I'd just like to